What's going on, folks? Today I'm going to show you the Starcraft 211 SVX outboard. We got tucked in the corner here. Real beautiful boat. Red with the black accent stripe. Got all matte flooring. Snap in and out. The depth in this boat is great. Really makes you feel secure. Lots of seating room in the front, movable table, in-floor storage. Nice helm. Jensen Bluetooth stereo system, all your gauges. 14 passenger, 21-foot boat. Lots of room here. Ski tow pylon. Looks like we got some pillows back here. Lots of space to walk around. 150 horsepower outboard. Lots of room. Thanks for watching.